Many states, including us here in Oklahoma, are gearing up for a total solar eclipse set on Monday. Parts of southeast Oklahoma will be in the path of totality. Nightly meteorologist Collin Rieck walks us through what you can expect.
Monday afternoon, skies across campus could go from this to this in just a matter of seconds. And that's because we're tracking the 2024 total solar eclipse that's going to eclipse much of Oklahoma. This will be the first total eclipse in the continental United States since 2017. And what that is, for our viewers who don't know, is when the moon goes in between the sun and the earth, casting its shadow across the globe. And that shadow is going to eclipse much of Oklahoma on Monday. In fact, some of our southeastern counties will be in the path of totality. That path of totality will stretch across much of the country, and in this purple shaded region is where we'll see that total solar eclipse. And Ida Bell will be in the total solar eclipse, peaking at about 1:50 in the afternoon in totality for about 4 minutes and 18 seconds. A very spectacular event. It only happens once every so often, and then that path of totality will track northeastward across Indiana, parts of Ohio, into New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, through Maine, and then out of the continental United States by about 2:40 in the afternoon on Monday. And in terms of coverage, we're expecting to see 90% totality in much of our viewing area. We're so close to that path of totality in Norman. It won't be a total eclipse, but very close to it. 90% coverage. And again, the further northeast or northwest you go in the state, the less total eclipse you'll see. And as we look at some tips for viewing, definitely use proper eye protection and keep in touch with the weather because the forecast may change.